3. Mommy and Daddy together with Sam Sam. Close your eyes. Close your eyes, Sam Sam. Close. Sige, ay. Make a wish. Ay, natulog na, oh. Make a wish and blow the candle. Okay, Sam Sam, blow the candle. Mommy and Daddy. In 1, 2, and 3. Hipon mo na, hipon. Yes, isa pa. Yay! Once again, happy birthday, Samsung. Siyempre, hindi niya mabubuo ang birthday ni Samsung kung ang birthday ni si Mommy and Daddy.